I'm going to present a topic called Lucky 7. Don't do anything until you hear this presentation. And it's basically a presentation on WordPress plugins. The incredible thing, and the reason why I'm dressed in like a zoot suit, I have a hat too, but I didn't want to put it on, is that I'm going to make an analogy with the world of WordPress plugins. There's over 56,000 in the repository in Las Vegas. A lot of folks, when they get into the WordPress community, this speech is really for beginners, but I also invite intermediate and advanced folks to get involved and just share what they know in terms of plugins and why they use them. But this talk in particular is going to give you best practices. We're going to talk about the repository, things that you should look for when you're choosing a plugin, things that you should avoid. And then at the end, we're just going to share and share community. So it's going to be fun. It's very interactive. I do questions, and I'm even going to sing a little. So it'll be a lot of fun. I just invite everybody to come and join me.